It's time for another technique video. This one is for rose gold glitter. I'm starting out with white paste. This is Couture by Cake Stuff. I just want a pinkish base for the cake, so I'm mixing it with a tiny bit of hot pink Renshaw's sugar paste. This is how I colour all of my pastes, but you can use gels if you wish. I knead it into one piece first, and if it's too dark, I can then save it with the remaining white. As this worked out fine, I continued to add some more pink to the remaining white and then mixed it all together. It's kind of a sickly sweet baby pink, so I'm adding a touch of chocolate brown to tone it down. I'm working on a 5-inch cake here. It's all ganached and ready to go. I have full in-depth tutorials on how to make ganache, how to fill a cake and ganache it with sharp edges, and also how to cover a cake with sugar paste, which I'll all leave linked below. They are always good to watch as it's the starting base for most of my other tutorials. Once you have your cake covered and you're happy with your edges, you'll want to pop it on an upturned bowl with some paper underneath to catch the excess glitter. These are edible glitter squares by CK Products. I've used these a few times on various cakes and always buy these white ones. I think they come in various colours, but white is a good starting point as you can then colour them yourself. This small tub will just about cover this 5-inch cake. Tip them into a tub. They are much shinier in real life than on the camera. Then grab your lustre of choice. As I already have a pink cake and the white glitter has a champagne undertone, I'm adding this metallic ginger glow for its hint of reddish gold, which should all work together to make a nice rose gold. Sprinkle some straight into the squares and give it a good mix with a dry brush. It doesn't look fully mixed here on camera, but it is in person, I promise. Our glue of choice is piping gel, but this straight from the tub is a little thick. To make it easier to distribute, we're going to pop it in the microwave for a few seconds with some drops of water. Now you can see it's much runnier, but still nice and sticky for the glitter. Now it's a case of taking scoops on the ends of your fingers and starting at the top, let the glitter flow down and stick to the sides, gently patting them into the glue. Scrape up any excess from the paper and use that too. Go around the whole thing and fill in any gaps at the end. I've left a gap at the top of my cake as I'll be adding sugar paste there to hold some roses. Sugar paste sticks to other sugar paste better than it does to glitter. And it's on. I can't tell you how sparkly it is in person. It looks a little matte on camera, but it's really not, and it must just be my lighting. If you want to set the glitter and avoid possible shedding, you can give it a coat of glaze spray. All the items I use are linked in the description box below. And that's it, an easy rose gold glittery cake. You can change up your lustre colours to make whatever you want. Here is the cake all finished. If you want to know how to make this cake, I have a tutorial for it, which is the rose gold and marble cake linked below, and I'll link it after this video. You just have to put the glitter tier in place of the painted one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know below and possibly share it with a friend. Thanks guys, see you next week.